I'm making my easy sausage and mushroom rigatoni pie.
Rigatoni pie.
First, I want to show you this so I can get you to work.
Okay.
Okay, these are rigatoni. They've been boiled al dente because they're gonna cook again. And what I've got here in my bowl, some parm, just some parsley. Ooh. Jeff, if you don't mind, I'm gonna toss these, and what you're gonna do, you've seen these online, right?
Yeah.
And usually they're just all soldiers standing up in the
like
whole
vertical.
thing, vertical. Just do the edge, just the perimeter, okay? All right,
perimeter.
so over here in the pan, I've already started working with some hot Italian sausage, crumble it up like it's ground beef, get all of the fat out of it, and then add in the mushrooms. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cook these mushrooms down, and you're gonna just season it with pepper, not salt. Why, GZ?
Because the salt will moisturize the mushrooms and take the water out.
Yeah.
Not good.
Exactly, and I'm already worried about the salt content that's already in the sausage, so you really don't want to add any salt at this point here because the sausage is coming in with that flavor. All right, so here is one of my store-bought shortcuts to get this done really fast. You know what I'm saying? Just buy the vodka sauce, okay? That's what you do. You can buy the marinara. That's right, clap it up, baby. You know what I'm saying? Just pour some of that in here. Gonna add back to the pot.
Did it.
All of that Italian sausage.
You got me.
All right, so what you're gonna do after you've got all of this sauce kind of married with the mushrooms and your Italian sausage, very simple, kind of hushes the pot. Gonna pour it right back over this bowl here.
Okay.
You working with me on this?
Yeah, I think so.
You're making pie.
I'm making a pie.
Sonny, this is also a great way, like if you want that feeling of like a baked ziti or a lasagna without all the work. This is a great way of doing it.
I would
vodka
have to
sauce
agree.
gives you that creamy, you know.
Yeah, I don't think I knew what vodka sauce was until I moved to New York.
I
was
didn't
on
either.
every
I had
single
never even
Italian
heard of
menu.
it. Yeah.
Which is basically a marinara sauce that you add some vodka to, you cook off the alcohol and add a little heavy cream or a lot of heavy cream. You know, it just really depends on what you want to do. You got
It's
that
sort
in
of made
there?
a resurgence in the last 10 years. So, by the way, is pasta.
This is a little science for you. That
Science.
eating carbs can actually make you happier because carbs cause the body to produce serotonin, which is the chemical that helps you create feelings of happiness.
See?
Well, there you go.
So there you
See?
go. Carbs make you happy.
Exactly. All right, so see what we have here?
That's very easy. Just stack them all up.
Super simple. I do not have time to go in and stacky stack and then pour the sauce over the top and hope
Stacky-stack.
that it goes through the canals of the rigatoni.
Yeah.
We don't have time for that. So, over the top of this,
You're only going to see the outside, right, when you unmold it.
provolone. Exactly. All I need is the curb
People.
appeal. Who cares about the inside?
Now here's what I want to know from each of you guys. What's one carb you couldn't leave behind?
What?
Jeff.
Pizza. Easily.
Sonny.
Oh, you know I'm like Oprah. I love bread.
I love bread.
Yeah, I can't go without bread.
Wine.
It is a carb.
I guess mine's bread, pasta, pizza.
Bread
Yeah,
pasta.
Oh, no, that's one
I know
word.
that. I know that
All right, so see, I've kind of overlapped the pieces of provolone here.
Beautiful.
Give a little vent in the center. And then I'm just going to pile on the mozzarella cheese. Yup.
Yes.
Yeah, no carb
All of
left
the
behind,
cheese.
baby.
one.
It also
We have
includes
serotonin
cheese.
going in there and vodka.
You already know. Okay, the oven's at 375. This is only gonna take about 30 to 35 minutes. You really just want the top to look nice and bubbly and golden.
Good job.
And then comes out of the oven like this. I've had this resting a bit because that's what
Holy
you want to do.
moly.
Oh,
Right. And listen, we didn't tell you, this is a spring-form mold. You can also do this in like a tall pie pan, but the beauty of this is releasing the spring so that you can see that curb appeal that we talked about. So,
It's all about that spring form pan.
you guys ready? No carb left, but it's gonna go straight to my behind.
Beautiful.
You like?
Beautiful.
So let me get this over here.
I'll tell you what, you serve that at a dinner party, everybody's gonna ooh and
Forget
ah, and it's easy.
One slice of that, glass of nice Barolo. Huh?
Oh, that
I'll
looks
take
so
that.
good. Look at those little crispy edges
here's
around the
That
top.
was amazing. All right, I got a little true or false here game
True.
with
right.
pasta, all right? Before pasta machines were invented, workers would knead pasta dough with their feet.
Oh,
It's
no.
so weird, I'm gonna say true.
No.
Correct. True. It is true. Yes.
Oh.
Ready?
Yep.
Yes, give it to us, Sonny.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a clean slice.
Oh,
You know
yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, you get to taste
A
that.
clean slice of pasta.
A little parsley. Give yourself a little piece of basil there so you feel like you did something. More cheese over the top.
More cheese, more cheese. More!
Yeah, you know, you need a fork. You got that,
Yeah, I
Jeff?
think I was going to try to pick it up, but it does look a little too.
Look at
succulent.
that.
Look at that, though. You can kind of see right through it. I'm so excited.
You know, you guys want a slice?
Yes, my mouth is watering.
Done.
I think I would
and
just
done.
tell you something. My kids would love this.
Yeah, because it's cute. It's fun.
Like
Yeah.
having fun with food.
It's all about the curb appeal.
Oh, man. Clutch doing the vodka sauce.
Clutch.
That creaminess just coats your tongue with the extra little bit of fat in there. Oh, the gooey cheese, and that pasta is perfectly cooked. Al dente, right? Because you didn't overcook it when you were boiling it. This is the best slice of pasta I've ever had.
Really?
Awesome.
That's